just got out of work, and what does a broke YouTuber do after work? We go to Best Buy, and then we shop or we window shop around to see what we want to get, and then end up getting what we shouldn't get, and then go broke. So right now we're gonna go into Best Buy and see what we can get. Obviously, with doing tech, any revenue that you get when you do things like this, for example, like AdSense or photography, you reinvest it back in the channel. And let me start by this. I got a comment saying that because I'm all over the place, and he was talking about the giveaway, and he was like, you're not financially stable, so I'm gonna go ahead and unsubscribe. Listen, guys, I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate the love and support that I'm getting, but you guys have to understand that I make content that I want to make, and obviously I do take a lot of consideration of making content that people want to see as well. When I first started the channel, I made videos of things that I would want to see. Like, for example, like nobody was testing phones out on how they are on social media. Like, everybody was making tech videos regarding, the specs and, the reviewing the phone as far as the spec, camera, things like that. But nobody was reviewing the phone regarding social media. And I was like, well, I want to make that because I want other people to see this so that they can really make that decision if they want to get, whatever phone. And so if you guys, I would love for you guys to continue watching, but if it's not something that you guys want to watch, I just find it funny that some people think that I'm forcing them to subscribe and to watch the channel, and it's the complete opposite. It's like, if you want to support me, if you want to, follow me on this journey, then, you're welcome to take a seat. And if not, then, it just, I don't get how people feel like I need to bow to them and make content specifically for them. Like, I'm gonna make content of what I like. For example, like I just made a video about a lens, and if nobody's interested, then it is what it is, right? But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about going into Best Buy and probably getting wireless mics, because this is actually from the Osmo Pocket 3. It was in the creator combo, and I don't have the receiver, so anytime I want to record it with my other cameras or my phone, things like that, I can't. I mean, I can use it and record internally, but then I would have to sync it in post, and sometimes there's too many clips and just too much hassle. So I'm probably going to get the DJI Mini, but there's another brand in there that I'm interested in trying. It's a little cheaper and could be the same quality. So sometimes companies that are not too well known are less expensive but the same quality. So we're gonna see what we can get in there. I was in between the DJI Minis, but they were like $170. I saw some good reviews on this. It's the Saramonic wireless mics, and it has USB Lightning, USB-C, and the 3mm headphone jack. We're gonna try this out. This was about $129, so with tax, about $140. And then I haven't had any earbuds in a minute, so I bought myself some of these, the JBL adaptive noise canceling, kind of look like AirPods. The reason why I got these is because I don't want to spend on AirPods, and I switch from iOS to Android all the time, so it's like there's no reason for me to buy specific like AirPods for iPhone, because I switch so many times, and AirPods like to only work on iPhones. So but yeah, that's what I bought. $200 and something that I just spent. But this is how broke people stay broke. But hey, hopefully this makes me money, and except the earphones. But Hopefully this wireless mic makes me money. Still don't know if I'm gonna sell this DJI Pocket 3 that I'm recording on right now. You guys let me know what you would do. But this is how broke tech people stay broke. So yeah, let's enjoy life, I guess. You guys saw in the last clip, I went to Best Buy. This is the next day, kind of reflecting on all my purchases. This is why people go broke, all right? But it's okay. It's for my tech channel, for this channel. I want to go, you know, kind of all in, and I want to see what I can create and what I can do with my creativity, things like that. So we got a couple of things. One, I got some earbuds because I don't have any earbuds at all, and I didn't want to get AirPods because you guys know that I switch devices often, and I didn't want to have AirPods that typically work just very, very well with iPhone, and then if you want to pair with other devices, they really don't work well. A lot of the features aren't there. So I wanted to buy something that would be good for both. These are on the cheaper side. They are a little bit, you can feel it's plastic, and the earbuds in there as well feel cheap. But overall it was $80. I'm gonna try it out. If not, I will probably maybe either get Beats or the upscale version of this that goes like over the ear, a little bit more expensive. This was like $80. So not super cheap, but not on the higher end either. So we're gonna try this, and I did try it last night. It was pretty good for what it is, but again, we need to, you know, do a lot more things. I did get some wireless mics too. I was gonna go with the DJI Minis because the DJI Mic 2 is almost $400 now. I think it used to be like $250, $300 with tax, but now I think due to the tariffs, it's gone up way high. Just like the DJI Pocket 3. I mean, I'm looking at the creator combo online, and it's like almost $900. That's insane. I bought mine for like $700, $750 I think, with taxes. Crazy. So I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of it. I kind of want to keep it for shots here and there when I don't want to take out my actual camera. But I did get a Saramonic wireless mics. It's about $130. I did see good reviews on there. And the most exciting part, I got another phone that I'm gonna test this week. The Pixel 9a. You guys know I'm a big fan of Pixel software. I love the Pixel everything. The only thing, the only thing is the performance sometimes, stacked up with the higher end phones. But this is a budget phone, so I'm not gonna go too hard on this. This is a budget phone, $500. And we're gonna test the camera, social media, things like that. For people that don't want to, you know, spend an arm and a leg on the Pixel 9 Pro, 9 XL, you can, you know, settle for this one. Again, we're gonna do the unboxing later around my lunchtime. We're gonna have a good time, and you guys stay tuned. A lot of stuff coming to the channel as far as reviews. It's not only gonna be just phones. I do want to let my creativity flow with, you know, random vlogs here and there about tech, about my life, and just plug in all of my electronics. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to work. What's up, guys? On my lunch break here, and kind of wanted to go over what I bought yesterday at Best Buy. Actually, I bought this off of Amazon, and I bought this off of Best Buy. And again, I wanted to go with the classic DJI, but too expensive, and I heard a lot of good reviews on this one, so we're gonna go ahead and open this one right now. This is the Saramonic wireless mics, and it's 4-in-1 wireless microphone system, and it has USB-C, Lightning, and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack adapter. And so here you can see, connects to your phone, cameras, all of that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and open this right quick. Comes in a nice box too, so. I'm assuming this is the accessories. Let's go ahead and open this right here. Yep. So, got instructions in here. Is the actual product right here. Take this out. Saramonic. Feels very premium. USB-C port right here. Yes. Oh, yes, sir. Okay, so first let me compare it to the DJI Mic 2. Boom. It has a magnitude just like this. Has a magnetic. You can see the Saramonic logo right there. Let's see. It does clip as well. Power on is right here. And the actual microphone is up here. And I'm pretty sure that and this right here is the receiver. Receiver right here. Out, in, so you can monitor. Let's see. I don't know if this will go in the hot shoe of the camera, but let's see. Okay. So you basically open this little part right here. Hopefully I don't lose this. And then any adapter goes in like that. Like that. And then it'll connect to like a phone or whatever. But there it is, guys. We're gonna test this in the next few days, and we'll see how it performs. Let us unbox this Pixel A, Pixel 9a, which is the budget-friendly Pixel. Nice packaging. Much trouble. There you go. Do some peel action. Oh, that didn't go too well. Whoa, this thing looks premium. This thing looks, this basically is an iPhone, guys. Matte, almost like a matte feeling here. I mean, bezels right here. I mean, it looks like an iPhone. SIM card here, power button, volume rocker. Look at that. There's no bump whatsoever on that one. Huh. The bezels are, I can already see the bezels are thick. The bezels are thick. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let's go ahead and power this baby up. Still powering up right here. Let me know if you guys have a Pixel 9, a Pixel 9a. Let me know if you guys have a Pixel 9a. This right here looks like it'll be a very, very interesting phone. The bezels are already bothering me. They're so thick, but it is what it is. For $500, you can't go wrong. We're gonna set this up later today, but yeah. Cool. I love the design. Let me know if you guys have one. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you returned it. What did you guys think about it? All right, what's going on, guys? Back at the crib. Trying my new mics out right now. I actually have it hooked up to the camera. I don't know if it's picking up, but we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all of my data to the Pixel 9a. Again, very, very slick design. I really like it. If somebody is coming from an iPhone, wants to try Android, here's the thing. For social media, the Galaxy is like the best. But for the look and the experience, I think Pixel is closer to that. But we're gonna see. The only thing that bothers me a little bit is the bezels. But again, that's something that we're just gonna have to. I mean, it's $500. It's a budget phone. It is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Transfer my files over from the 16 Pro, and I'll tell you something about the 16 Pro, and I'll make a whole video about it. But with Beta 4, it's a lot smoother. I really think that I'm slowly transitioning to make Android my daily driver, just because I have the S25 Ultra, and that device is just, it's incredible. The Snapdragon Elite paired with amazing cameras, paired with just everything that Android has to offer, has been a great experience. You guys seen the last video. I did not want to sell that device. I did not want to sell it, but it is what it is. We have to move on, and we're gonna try the Fold 7 or the Flip 7. You guys still need to let me know which one you guys want to see. But we're gonna go ahead and use this USB-C to get everything transferred over. And yeah, we'll do a day in the life of the Pixel A, test the social media part of it, test the battery, test everyday kind of use. You guys let me know if you want to see something else. So without taking too much of your time, nighttime, whatever time you're watching this video, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.